Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi. Masih seperti biasa. Kali ini Aspir E11 ES3 E3 122. Kasusnya mati nih. Ini kayaknya konslet ini. Lihat ya. Kita charging. Tuh, drop dia. Laptop kayak gini nih 50-50 ini. Kebanyakan kalau konslet 19 gennya bisa kena ini. Kita bongkar dulu ya. Sering kita jumpai kalau dia konslet 19 prosesornya kemakan, harddisknya tidak ada, tahu ukur ya. Nah, ini penampakannya nih. Kita belajar dulu ya. Ini 19 ya. Kayaknya bukan kapasitor ini. Nah kan, kena gennya ini kemakan ini. Coba ini lilitannya kita buka. 1, 2. Short hampir 0, ininya jebol. Inilah merek Acer 11 ini, sering kemakan ini masalah ini. Kita pastikan dulu ya. Kita pastikan dulu ya, apakah prosesornya konslet. Tuh ya, 0 short. Penyebabnya mana ya penyebabnya nih? Kenapa dia bisa nyamber ini? Ini 19-nya short nih. Antara IC ini kemakan bisa, atau IC ini biasanya IC ini yang jebol. Kita buka dulu IC-nya. Isi mana yang short ini?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight
Sudah hilang kan?
and die for the things you know you love.
Di sini penyebabnya nih, IC ini short.
It's right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't
Salam.
see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I
Jadi
could be.
kali
I just
ini
wish I had seen. I feel this pain.
tidak perlu kita lanjutkan. Sudah bisa kita pastikan ininya jebol, IC ini jebol. Kalaupun IC ini kita ganti, percuma.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't
Salam.
watch me turn this life
Oke, ini penjelasan yang kurang memuaskan.
for the things
Kali ini gagal. E11.
it's right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Jadi saya rasa cukup sekian.
It's right, and see life do.
Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.